What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. Today's vlog is super lit, but before we get into the video, I want to show you guys real quick my hoodies. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram or haven't seen my last video, I dropped merch finally. I dropped 2 hoodies. They're super sick, super clean. Mine are a little dirty because I wear them like every single day. I'm obsessed with these. This one we have the E92 and the E36 on here. And we got a little checkered flag racing stripe on the sleeves. And then this one also has the E92, but it says Beamer Club, California Division. I'm from California. Beamer Club, because I know a lot of you guys have Beamers as well. These are just so freaking sick. So if you guys haven't seen these and want to grab them, I'm going to leave a link down below. It's the first link in the description. FindingNick.bigcartel.com. If you guys did order one, thank you guys so much. I appreciate the love and support. I'm being serious, guys. Thank you. Like, the orders are insane. We're almost sold out of everything. I only have a few of each. I said if you haven't picked one up yet and want to, make sure you guys go down below and grab them ASAP because they're almost gone. And again, thank you guys for the love and support. Whoever did order one, thank you. It really means a lot. And I can't wait till I see one of you guys wearing these in person. I can't wait. Who's gonna be the first one that I find in person wearing the merch? The first link in the description, and let's get into the video. It's burning my front bumper. What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. On our way to a car meet tonight. Tonight's car meet should be pretty lit. I've never been, but I've heard that a lot of revving goes on, a lot of two-step battles, a lot of crazy stuff. So hopefully a really cool vlog tonight. We got Joseph's car, well not Joseph's car, the homie Johnny's car, Joseph's old car, as Joseph likes to say, his ex. But we got the F80 out, and we also got Sam's E30. That was previously tuned, as you guys seen. And guys, before we get too far into the video, please hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. Hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers. Sam is laughing at me for vlogging, but...
You still talking about yourself?
Yes. Hi, Sam.
Hi.
You want to race?
Guys, please tell this guy to take his earring off.
Oh, no. Everybody doesn't like it, bro. Sam, if I beat you, you go pierce your ear.
If you beat me, I'll give you this card and a drift card for free. I beat you.
No.
You gave my $1,000.
Okay. I owe Sam $1,000. But anyways, like I was saying, please hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. And if you are, thank you guys, I appreciate it. Look how these fools are pumping the 85. Oh my god, dude. Guys, we made it. This place is packed, guys. Wow, look who it is. What's going on? I made it, bro.
Hey, you're rolling too hard, bro.
Guys, look how packed it is, dude. There's so many people.
Yeah, we out here fighting Nick.
What's up, dog? Damn, look at all the GTRs, though. Damn. What's up, bro? What's up, clean M3. That was pretty cool. Yeah, this one's kind of dirty, but I like the look, bro. The wheels. All right, guys. I think this might be my favorite car here. Huracan Performante, too. Woo, and it's matte gray. That's literally the cleanest car ever, bro. Super clean. Bro, this car has everything you possibly could do to an M3. Look how clean this is, guys. How much are these?
Can't tell.
Oh my god, they look expensive, bro. They look hella expensive. Supercharged too. Oh my god, that's goals. Carbon fiber in the headlights. Carbon fiber lip. Carbon fiber roof. BBS, Brembo. Everything you could do to a E92. Everything I don't got. Guys, I guess somebody knocked my mirror cap off. And this dude caught him in person. This dude caught him red-handed, bro. That's so funny. Hams are about to E30 out. Looking clean. She looks like Fast and the Furious. Literally Fast and the Furious. And guys, if these car meet videos are getting a little boring, let me know, because he even said the car meet stuff's kind of getting boring. But I'm thinking like the vlogs are probably boring too. I don't know. You guys let me know. If the vlogs are boring going to car meets, let me know, and I won't come to any more car meets. But if you like it, let me know, and I'll come to more car meets. But this one should be lit because they're gonna do a rev battle. So that's why I wanted to come to this one specifically. All black too. I'm gonna get one next month, bro. I'm not even kidding. I have to get one next month. That's my goal. Chris's vet. Sick ass food. Bro, this shit is so wide. I showed you guys this car on the vlog before, but full roll cage in this thing. That's so crazy. Oh, they're screaming, dude. Let's go be nosy. But I'm so scared to leave. Like, I'm literally gonna stay here overnight, bro. I'm not moving my car. They seem pretty pissed.
Mr. FindingNick.
What's up, dude?
What's going on?
Look how small my camera is.
Yeah, my camera would eat that camera. I'm sorry.
Woo! Must be nice. Guys, I think Alex brought his new car today. If you guys remember Alex, he has that silver GTR that I drove in the vlog. This is his new car. Oh my God, I hate you, Alex. Now he got 2 GTRs. Police helicopter. Guys, the light's literally on me. I'm not even joking. Directly on me, bro. You guys, look at it. He parked right next to me to make me look like crap. Guys, Sam's about to go into 2-step battle too. That's fucking crazy. I'm gonna die. I'm high.
But who won though? Who won though?
Alright, look, let's make an announcement right here. Hey, who you think won? The Beamer?
Yeah!
Or the Mustang?
Yeah! Yo, Beamer won. Let's get it.
Hey, thank you guys for coming, bro. Be safe, drive home.
Bro, my eyes burn, dude. So loud.
Let's go before everybody trying to get out of here, bro.
That was too loud. My eyes burn. Literally, Sam owes me some new pants or something, bro. He burned my feet. You want it, Sam?
I'll smoke you out later or something. So,
Smoke him out?
You champion. Snap on. I like your shit. They was down on you, baby. I had you.
Sam won, bro. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I still gotta blow his motor! Blow that shit! The trumpet! That scared the shit out of me. I'm for sure deaf today. Right here. Alright guys, let's get out of here. There's so many cops outside and everybody in this car meet is revving. It's so sketch. I'm so scared to get pulled over. There's hella cops. There's helicopters in the air, everything. Literally everybody is revving. It's so crazy. I'm so jealous of Alex. 2 GTRs. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. What the fuck? Holy shit. That shit is crazy. Holy shit. This supercar sounds so crazy. Supercharger sounds insane. Oh my god, this car is so loud. Alright guys, we're on our way home now. That was freaking lit. Probably the most lit vlog I've ever made, I think. There was so much going on in this vlog, so much revving. My head literally hurts. Like, I'm not even joking. I got a really bad headache right now, all because of those exhausts. The loud pop. I was standing right behind Sam's exhaust and that Mustang. Like, both cars were ridiculously loud, but it's really dope how Sam won. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button for this vlog. This vlog was freaking lit. And please hit that subscribe button if you guys are not already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit.